Hi from sunny Miami, Florida. My name is Diana Dumet and I am with MOWI CP of the Americas. MOWI is the world's largest producer of Atlantic salmon, and we partner with EVRYTHNG to bring end-to-end product transparency to our customers. With EVRYTHNG, MOWI was the first company in our space to deliver radical transparency at mass scale.
Hello from San Francisco. I'm Curt Schacker, Executive Vice President at EVRYTHNG. In all of my conversations with global brand managers, I hear two things consistently. Their most precious asset is the trust consumers place in them, and their greatest fear is losing that trust by acting in ways that are inconsistent with their brand values. There's nothing particularly new about this. However, the pressure has been dialed up considerably in the last few years for several reasons. First, the growing awareness and sensibilities among consumers about the products they are purchasing. Second, the ability to use modern technologies to transparently convey important product information to consumers. And finally, the omnipresence of social media, which can make or break a brand's fortunes in a matter of minutes. When we talk about new consumer sensibilities, we mean product information that simply can't be conveyed on the limited real estate of product packaging. Consumers increasingly want, even demand to know where products are being made and facts about who and how they were made, such as whether laborers were paid a living wage. They want details on ingredients and proof of their compliance with important standards and regulations. And more, they want to know how the brand is helping to improve the world through sustainable practices and how they, as consumers, can actively participate through responsible re-commerce, recycling, or disposal of used items and packaging. Even when brands engage in industry best practices, they still struggle to get the word out, given the information overload present in modern society. But incredibly, many brands are not taking advantage of one of the most effective communication media available, the information power of their own products. This is where modern technology comes into the picture. In the last few years, advances in cloud computing, smartphones, and product identification have turned every consumer product into an owned media channel, enabling brands to engage directly their consumers every time they interact with their products. The basic elements of these interactions are simple, even if the technology that enables them is incredibly powerful and sophisticated. The process starts with the printing of a unique identity in the form of a QR code or digital watermark on the product's packaging or label. This physical identity is paired with a cloud-based digital twin, which we call an active digital identity in the EVRYTHNG product cloud. Vital information about the product is captured through its life cycle, such as when and where it was made, what it's made of and who made it, if it's authentic, has it expired or been recalled, and how to dispose of the packaging once it has been consumed. This data set drives value, creating applications, insights, and actions. When consumers scan these codes with their smartphones, all of this information is presented to them in an elegant mobile experience. What's more, the conversation is not only one way. Apps invite the consumer to provide feedback, take surveys, register for loyalty programs, and sign up for newsletters. This closed-loop cycle creates even more value to brands and consumers alike, increasing trust and loyalty through transparency. As more and more global brands choose to deploy smart product programs, we are seeing more cooperation among the key ecosystem of suppliers. We are especially excited about our partnership with SAP, where we are collaborating to integrate our respective platforms and solutions. Now, SAP users can generate EVRYTHNG digital identities directly from the SAP tool suites that they use for running their critical business processes. Thank you for your time today. I'd love to continue the conversation. Please feel free to get in touch by scanning the code on screen.